Hello.
Hello.
My name is Alex. What's your name?
My name is Sophie.
Nice to meet you, Sophie. How old are you?
I'm fine.
Great. How are you?
I'm good.
Perfect. Let's get started, Sophie. Okay. What animal is it?
It's a dog.
And what does it say?
Woof woof.
Right. Okay. What animal is it?
It's pig.
And what does it say?
Oink oink.
That's right. Okay, what animal is it?
It's a cow.
Perfect. And what does it say?
Meow meow.
Brilliant. What animal is it?
It's a goat.
Good. And what does it say?
Meow.
Perfect. What animal is it?
It's a dog.
And what does it say?
Quack quack quack.
Excellent. What animal is it?
It's a flower.
It's a
Flower.
rabbit. Okay, what does it do?
Jump jump jump.
Perfect. What animal is it?
It's a chicken.
Rooster.
Rooster.
Good. And what does it say?
Cuckoo choo choo choo.
Brilliant. What animal is it?
It's a cow.
And what does it say?
Moo.
Great job. Okay. What animal is it?
It's a horse.
And what does it say?
Neigh.
Perfect. What animal is it?
It's a hen.
What does it say?
Cup cup.
Good. Okay. What color is the sheep?
It's white.
That's right. What color is the cat?
It's bright.
That's right. What color is the cow?
It's white and black.
Perfect. What color is the pig?
It's pink.
Good. What color is the horse?
It's brown.
Brown. That's right. Okay. How many dogs do you see?
I see 3 dogs.
Perfect. How many pigs do you see?
I see 4. I see 5 pigs.
Perfect. How many cows do you see?
I see 1 cow.
Excellent. How many
I see 1
rooster?
rooster.
Good. How many horses do you see?
I see 2 horses.
Perfect. How many ducks do you see?
I see 4 ducks.
Brilliant. Great job. Thank you. My congratulations. Thank you, Sophie.